We have made it to our Airbnb in Kotor, Montenegro, and we're pretty excited to be here for our first time in this country. Hello. Tomorrow, I guess we got on the docket boat tour, and excited for another 4 more days beyond that of what we got going on. So looking forward to it. Good morning. As I mentioned last night, we were taking a boat tour this morning. First, we wanted to run around and get some panini, and boy, did we have to run around to find something. Not a lot of fast food to go restaurants, at least in the immediate area that we're at with our Airbnb. So
very much a slow-paced
sit-down cafe kind of scenario around this area, at least this immediate area. So
but
hopefully,
we found food.
hopefully we'll find something a little bit better later this afternoon. But for now, it's all about the boat tour. We have made it to Lady of the Rock. It's the only man-made island in this region.
The legend has it that some sailors found an icon of Mary and Jesus, and so because they thought this place was spiritual and special, anytime any sailor went by, they would throw a rock here or they'd bury their older boats, and so this land eventually became an island, and they put the church behind it, and even today they say that miracles happen here. Here's our boat master, our captain.
We found some ice cream along our walk on this small village we got dropped off at, and just kind of enjoyed the walk around the area.
All right, we're done with our boat tour, and now we're gonna just go explore the old city. This was one of the main water wells of the city so that everyone could get water any time of the year that they needed it. Look at all these cats. Behind the old town, you can walk up a path to get all the way up to the fortress on the top. But we're not going to do that today. We did not bring enough water, and it is way too sunny, but it looks like it would be a beautiful hike. Back down we go.
Good morning. We are off to do some paragliding. Chrissy's absolutely excited about. I'm sure I'll be fine with it. Me and heights usually never get along, but excited to check this out this morning. We are currently at this section of the road here on the side of the mountain and waiting to see if we paraglide off the side of this area here. So just waiting on the okay. How you feeling?
Good. I like this guy. Been doing it for 30 years.
Okay, run.
Sorry.
That's it. Okay.
Run backwards.
Okay, I'm go, 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 go. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. I'm run, 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 run. Fantastic.
job. So I'm back at the top of the hill. It was a lot of fun. I really trusted the dude. We had a lot of fun up there, and it's kind of like the swings at an amusement park, just for a longer time. And then they came pick me up and then back up that serpentine back and forth road, and now they're going to take Mike. So a little bit longer of a day than we thought. We thought we'd have like 2 people at the same time, but not, one after the other. But what are you going to do?
Ovamo? Ne nego ćemo odmah dolje mi.
Jesi leziš ti zajedno sa Svetom i onda pičiš za ovu kako zove bud.
Važi.
Eto, ti sačkaj njega ovdje, siđemo pješke. U stvari ne!
Neći dolje, doću ja dolje.
Da ti stojiš, ideš lijevo, jedino do kako.
Gledamo se u budu.
Bye, honey. Poor Mike's been sitting here for like an hour and a half while I went down. They drove to pick me up and then bring back. And right now they're setting Mike up. And then my driver's like, I'm going to walk up the road and see my cousin. So now I get to sit here, probably not for an hour and a half, but the driver will drive me back down to meet Mike.
Okay, I'm go, run. Okay, fantastic. Okay, I'm run. I'm run. Go,
Here we go now. Here we go now. Here we go now.
Dobar dan.